Hello, good evening. In the last video, we have taken introduction to empirical estimation models. In that video, we could understand that the software size estimation is considered to be the most important factor for the estimation of effort and cost. The accuracy of a software project estimate is predicated on a number of factors. 1. The degree to which the planner has properly estimated the size of the product that is to be built. Number 2. The ability to translate the size estimate into human effort, calendar time, and rupees or dollars. Third, the degree to which the project plan reflects the abilities of the software team. And fourth, the stability of product requirements and the development environment in which the software engineers work. So, the size estimation is most crucial for the estimation of effort and cost of the software. The perfectness of the accuracy of the size decides the perfectness accuracy in the cost estimation of the software. Once the size is estimated, we estimate the effort and cost. So here we shall understand COCOMO 1 or basic COCOMO. When we have to get the rough estimate of the effort and cost, we choose COCOMO 1 or basic COCOMO, which is also known as simple COCOMO or simple model. This was proposed by Barry Boehm 1981. So people also call it as COCOMO 81 depending upon the year in which Barry Boehm proposed this model. This model is used to get rapid and rough estimation of effort and cost of a software application. It gives least accurate among the three COCOMO models proposed by Barry Boehm. This model gives least accurate estimation. This is the basic equation of basic COCOMO or COCOMO 1. E is equal to AB into KLOC raised power BB. E is here effort, AB is a coefficient, and BB is an exponent. Getting E, we can calculate duration or development time as D equal to CB into E that we have calculated raised power dB. So this gives duration, development time. Now after calculation of development time D, we can calculate N, number of people to be deployed on a software project. So in all these equations, E is effort, D is the development time, N is the number of people on a project to be deployed, KLOC estimated number of delivered lines of code, AB and CB are coefficients that are constants that we have to remember for the estimation of effort. BB and DB are exponents that we also have to remember for the estimation of effort and cost. Now AB, BB, CB and DB, for all the three different types that we have discussed in the last video, organic, semi-detached or embedded software, varies. So this table gives us the values for coefficients and exponents AB, BB, CB and DB. If the software project is of organic type, then the value of AB would be 2.4, BB would be 1.05, CB would be 2.5 and DB 0.38. Similarly, if the type of project is semi-detached, that is a little bit more complex software than the organic, which is simple project, the value of AB is 3.0, BB is 1.12, CB is 2.5, DB is 0.35, embedded is 3.6, BB is 1.20, CB 2.5, DB is 0.32. So for the estimation of effort and thereby cost, development time, these values AB, BB, CB and DB have to be remembered. We can remember all these values vertically. If we take the value of AB, the value for organic is 2.4, incrementing 0.6, we can get 3.0, and again incrementing 0.6, we can get embedded value of embedded software is 3.6. Now if we see the value of CB, it is constant for all these three types of software, 2.5, 2.5 and 2.5. So when we consider the values for DB, we can see it is 0.32, reducing minus 0.3, we can get 0.35 and 0.32 for embedded type of software. So vertically we can remember these values for the estimation of effort and cost. Now with an example we can understand this problem. Assume the size of a software project has been estimated as 33,200 KLOC, kilo lines of code or 1000 lines of code. Now we have to put this value, this size, in the software equation as E equal to 2.4 into KLOC raised power 1.05. Now this value for KLOC is in 1000. So we don't write here 30,200, rather we write 33.2. After computing this, we can get 95 person months. Person months or person per month is the unit for effort. Then after getting value of E, we can get the value of D based on this formula 2.5. 2.5 is the value of CB, taking from the table. See, if the top software project is of organic type, the value is 2.4 for organic AB, and for CB the value is 2.5. So D is equal to 2.5 E raised power 0.38. 0.38 is the value chosen from DB, 0.38 for organic software. We have considered the software as organic in this example. So now 2.5 into 95 raised power 0.38. This gives us 12.3 months. Duration is given in months. Now we can calculate N, that is the number of persons to be deployed on a project. N is equal to ED by 95, equal to 95 divided by 12.3. This is roughly equal to 8 people. This gives, the result gives in point, in decimal number. So we convert this decimal number into a next integer number, that is 8. So 8 people would be deployed on this project. So in this way we can calculate, roughly calculate the effort and cost. E gives the effort, D gives the development time, duration, and N gives the number of people to be deployed on a software project. So this is COCOMO 1. In the next video we shall understand COCOMO 2. Thank you.